Good morning. I have some fun, fast feminine education for you this morning. The closest relative to Homo sapien used to be the chimp. And recently, and when I say recently, I mean like in the past 50 years, anthropologists have discovered that it is not the chimp, it is the bonobo. And bonobo is the closest evolutionary step past the chimp. So bonobos used to be chimps, and then a river formed in between the territory of a large group of chimps, and the chimps got separated and could not get together again. And on the other side of the river, over time and evolution, the chimps changed into a new species known as bonobos. Now, for a long time, anthropologists couldn't really tell them apart, and so didn't realize that the bonobos were actually a different species. Okay, so fast forward till now, and now we do know that actually our closest relatives, our cousins, are the bonobos. Now, the bonobos are matriarchal, which is very interesting because the chimps are patriarchal. Okay, so we all know what that means, all right? The chimps are very hierarchically ordered. They have like an army military kind of structure where males will move up in rank through taking orders from older and higher up chimps, and through sort of like military kind of operations, whether that be hunting strategies or whether it be sort of like organizing themselves in, dominance, okay? Whereas the bonobos are matriarchal, and so we know what that means is they're all run by family and by elder females, and all their problems are handled through sex. So, actually, a lot of people believe that the reason that anthropologists did not study bonobos as closely as chimps for so long, and even to this day, is because there is so much sex going on in the bonobos, and so much like they couldn't understand that every internal sort of like argument and conflict is handled through mediation with the elder bonobo females, and then to make up, there is sex, some kind of sexualness, some kind of rubbing of the sexual organs in some way or another, okay? And so, interestingly, okay, we find that the hormones in the body actually, they are made up of the same things, like anger, is made up of the same things as sexual desire and sexual fulfillment, okay? It's just that depending on the signal that we take in, depends on which one we make, okay? So in many ways, what I'm saying here is, all right, patriarchy, matriarchy, all right, war, love, okay? And I'm also saying that since our actual closest cousins are the bonobos, are matriarchal, it's also an interesting thought to ask ourselves, do we have the choice? Okay? We are capable of both, aren't we? Do we have the choice? And what would it be like for us to move to egalitarian, the middle, where we share, respect, love, value, and work together as a team? I love you.